Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries with Ginny. It's tree planting time now, and it's a gorgeous weeping tree. It's willow leaf silver weeping pear. Now, silver weeping pear has got bright silver foliage, a mound of silver foliage like that, tiny white flowers as well, but it's a reliable, hardy tree to grow. You can decide what height you want to let it grow to by taking off the leader on top, so you can let it grow to 2 meters high, or let it grow up to 4 meters high. The choice is yours. You can leave it as one big mound like a cock of hay, or take off the bottom branches and just have a crown on top. You can whole range of shapes and sizes are all look very well with weeping pear. This is the time of year to plant. So decent sized planting, hold twice the depth of the pot, a little bit of super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom, then you put some compost and soil on top, and the same banking around, and it will need a little stake or strap to hold it nice and firm. Lovely left and right of an entrance, or standing as a solitary tree middle of a lawn area. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.